So let's start by looking at this one. Let's see if we can figure out everything about this yellow equation. My vertex is opposite. That's my x. But there is no y. So technically, if I wanted to, can I put plus 0? Is that going to change anything if I add nothing to it? 2 plus nothing is 2. 10 plus nothing is 10. Negative x, negative parentheses x plus 2 squared plus nothing is the same thing, isn't it? So maybe if it helps me, that might help me if I know that I'm adding nothing there. Aren't I adding nothing? Yeah, there's nothing there. So I could put plus 0. That means the same thing. So that means opposite. Wait, what's the same as? Well, it doesn't matter. 0 is neither positive nor negative. It's nothing. I cracked myself up. So here's my vertex, negative 2, 0. Where is it? That means I go left first, negative 2, 0. The symbol in front of this x squared is a negative. Technically, it's a negative 1. It means it's opening negatively. There we go. It means it's opening downwards. And technically, it's opening down to the left 1, down 1, to the right 1, down 1 for now. And then it changes, of course, there because it's exponential. Alright? So keep that in mind. It doesn't follow that all the way down. It's not linear. And it's curved. It's curved when you graph these things. Don't make them V's. They're not a V. They're more like a U. Ah, lights. It makes me scary. Alright. Bottom one. What am I subtracting from the x squared? Can I write this one 3x minus nothing squared? Is that the same thing if I take away nothing? Well, x minus nothing is x. Isn't this the same as that? Hopefully, if you got stuck, this is my little trick. I mean, really, that's not that hard. Hopefully, you know the vertex is at 0, negative 1. Oh, opposite, opposite. 0, negative 1. What does that mean? I go 0 for my x. X is the first one. Don't forget, these are labeled here. X, and then this is labeled y. So I go down 0 to the left and right, but down 1. That's where my vertex is. My line of symmetry is at x equals 0. Here's the line of symmetry. Here's my vertex. And then I look in front of my x squared. This is a positive 3. So that means it's opening positively up. To the right 1, up 3. To the left 1, up 3. And it starts off with that graph. It's a more narrow parabola. And it's a U-shaped, not a V-shaped. Okay? One more slide and we're done. One more slide. 2 more problems. 2 more problems. And we will be all done with our notes for today. You will get to spend the rest of your time working on this, and I appreciate your patience with all of this technology. Write what could be the equation of the quadratic equations shown. So I have one graph here. This is my first graph, and here's my second graph. I kind of want you to look at them and see if you can go backwards now. Instead of taking the equation and graphing it, can you plug this information into an equation and make the equation out of the graph? If you don't get it, raise your hand and have somebody come over and help you. Just like I want you to do as we were doing the whole thing. 2 equations, give it a go.